Okay, Sunday, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard, September 29th. Let's talk through what we're seeing for the week. Now, markets just opened, and I am going to walk you through real time as we see what kind of things have changed between Friday and now. So, first thing I notice is silver is up a little bit here. I noticed oil actually opened a little bit lower compared to our close on Friday. Copper is just on a tear right now, which is crazy. Watching that, and nat gas, I'm looking to see a reversal. Let's see what else we are seeing here. Jump the currencies. South African rand is extremely crowded here, so I'm still looking to find a reversal candle on that. And then we're seeing everything against the dollar is just way up. And I'm actually looking to get back in on long US dollar, which we'll talk about in a moment here. Markets are open just a little bit lower, but it's going to be light volume for a Sunday. Emerging markets ripped higher on the Chinese stimulus news. Coffee is finally showing a bit of a reversal we've been waiting on. Ethereum's a bit lower. Bitcoin's a little bit up. We actually just get out of this small trade here on EWJ, the Japan stock index. Not sure why it's not showing what it is, but yeah, we get out of that, took a profit right here near the top, which was nice little reversal. But yeah, what are we looking at for the week? So weekly setups that I am seeing, we are in on long crude. We're shorting natural gas just given the recent price action here and rip to the upside. We're looking to just get a quick reversal to a gap fill and take some profit there. Very small, quick trade potential. Still looking to get long again on silver for a run up here where we're going to retest these swing highs above $33. Gold we're out of right now. Gold's actually opened up a little bit higher here as well. From Friday, I believe it closed around 26.79. Other positions that we're looking at that I put in the weekly report is the long dollar. So these are some currency trades we'll talk through. Long US dollar, I believe we're starting to bottom here. We got stopped out last week. I'm looking to re-enter at lower prices and starting with a smaller position, and then short sorry, I didn't mean to click that, short the yen. So yen actually trading down a little bit. There was some bullish Japan news that came out on Friday that really took this thing higher, and we're still looking to head lower here. So we actually moved our stop. We took a break even trade, and then it ripped through that, and then we re-entered this at a better price. So that's what I'm seeing right now. I'm seeing, and the positions that I'm in are short natural gas, short the yen, and long on crude oil. And then we're looking to get in on that dollar index. And I'd like to get back in on silver or gold on any pullbacks, but we're going to just kind of wait and see how things play out there. Other things that I see is short setup on the Russell, but the Russell still looking pretty strong as far as price action here. Hasn't been able to break the all-time highs though, so that might be an interesting place to put a stop at. South African rand, like I talked about, is extremely crowded on the long side, so we're still looking for a reversal candle on that one. Ethereum, we've seen really some interesting positioning changes here where Ethereum and Bitcoin have actually gotten very bullish by commercials and very short by speculators. So those are positions that I like to accumulate more in the long portfolio at swing lows. And this looks like it's time to start getting long on crypto. The other thing I see is short on coffee. We are starting to see a bit of a reversal here. This thing's hard to trade, though. It's very expensive to trade contracts on coffee, so might not be something we get into. And I'd like to get in on SPY, so the mini ES, but it's really hard to do that when we're testing all-time highs and hitting new highs. You'd never short a high, but it's hard to get long there, so we need maybe a little bit of a pullback to get long. But I do like that from my momentum indicator standpoint. So not too many trades that we're really looking at here, and I'm starting to realize trading less is going to be a lot more important, a lot more beneficial, and a lot more successful. I am a little bit pissed. I talked about copper last week as being a potential B setup trade, and this thing's just been running. Now, I mean, we just kind of wait and see how this plays out, see how the positioning changes, see if there's going to be an opportunity maybe here to go short at some point if we retest these highs. That's the only thing I can see at this point. It's a really great move to the upside, though. Very bullish. And most of these assets have been very bullish. I mean, even the grains reversed. I mean, all these charts are up except for energies, really. Crude oil and heating oil. And we've been able to take some profits on those. So everything's up. up on all these charts except for the dollar and the energies. And then same thing with S&P, same thing with the Dow, the Nasdaq, emerging markets. Like everything is ripping higher here. Soybean oil is starting to head up to the upside. Coffee, even Ethereum, Bitcoin, like these are starting to rotate in the other direction. So everything's looking really bullish and very risk on right now, minus crude oil and the energies. So yeah, we'll be in on these positions unless we get stopped out, and we'll continue to watch and see how things shake out. So that's what I'm looking at for the week, and we'll talk during the middle of the week. Thanks.